How to add and use multiple accounts on Instagram. I will guide you through this. So firstly, let's start by opening Instagram. And here we need to click profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, the first way how you can switch to different account, add new one or create new one is you can just press and hold this icon till the menu will pop up. From here, find button, add Instagram account and click on it. Now you have two options, log into existing account or create new one. Just select which one you prefer, for example, log into existing. And if you do this, Instagram will suggest you accounts which you added before. If it's not this account, just click use another profile and enter your information such as email, password, mobile number, and so on. I'm just gonna go back because I already added my Instagram account. And another way how you can add this account is click on the three lines in the top right, scroll all the way down, and in this section log in, find add account, just click on it, and from here basically do the same. Now if you want to switch between your accounts, just press and hold this profile icon and tap on the account you would like to visit. For example, this QR code. There is also a fun way how you can switch between your accounts. For that, you just need to double click this profile icon and it will be switched back to the recently used account. Now, if you would like to further customize your account, for example, make it public or private, just click on three lines. Scroll down to the who can see your content and click account privacy. When your account is public, your profile and posts can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram. If you would like to make it private, just toggle on the switch, then click switch to private, and then follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tips.